Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum TV app not working on Samsung TV, Smart Hub Reset, DNS and app fix. To fix the Spectrum TV app when it crashes or freezes on a Samsung Smart TV, you must perform a cold boot of your TV to flush out the corrupted Smart Hub memory cache. First, some quick fixes. Turning your TV off with the remote only puts it into standby mode. A true cool boot clears out corrupted background application data. So hold the power button on your Samsung remote control for 5 to 10 seconds and keep holding it until the TV display turns completely off and then power backs on with the Samsung logo. Now launch the Spectrum TV app again to test your connection. Step 1. Change your TV DNS settings. Press the settings button on your Samsung remote and navigate to General, then go to Network and tap on Network Status. From there, select IP settings and scroll down to DNS settings and change it to enter manually. Now select DNS servers and type 8.8.8.8, which is Google Public DNS, or 1.1.1.1, which is Cloudflare DNS. Then click OK to save and restart your TV. Step 2. Clear cache and reinstall the app. Press the home button on your remote and navigate to apps. Now select settings icon, which is the gear logo present in the top right corner. Now locate the Spectrum TV app from the list and select Clear Cache and Clear Data if available on your model year. Then click Reinstall to download a fresh updated copy of the app software. Step 3. Samsung Smart Hub Reset. Go to your TV Central Settings menu. From there select Support, go to Device Care, then tap on Self-Diagnosis. Now click on Reset Smart Hub. Now enter your TV security PIN code. The default factory code is 0000. Wait for the initialization layout to finish. Open the App Store and now install a fresh copy of the Spectrum TV app. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.